Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we're going to do around the clock. So this is a really fun exercise that you're going to laugh at yourself. You just have to. Where if you only have 1 minute, do this exercise. And it is a really fun way to challenge your rolling like a ball, to challenge your 100 position and your double leg stretch position. And so let's do it, right? So what you want to do is you will start on your mat in your rolling like a ball position. You can, in the old pictures, you would go down to here. Some people also do it this way. Okay, so you can choose, and then you do one, right? Send your legs out in an external rotated position. Pull your stomach back, and then you pull in, and you'd rock, and you get to like the next point on the clock, and you reach your arms and legs away, and then you get yourself situated, and you reach, and you keep going, and you just keep extending. This is not my favorite exercise in the world. And you go all the way around your clock. I went halfway because I'm just going to show you half, but you keep going until you get back to the where you started. And that's really a lot of fun. It's going to challenge your teaser. It's going to actually make it a lot better. And so you would try to go one way all the way around and then all the way back, and you try to do it in a minute, which is a lot of fun. So it has a little bit of rolling like a ball to it. And again, so, you want to get that rolling like a ball feeling in there. It's got that hundreds position slash, coming up into your teaser. And then everything from your double leg stretch, where it's long, a lot of upper abs, the longest flexion, all of that is really key. The more you can hug your outer hips together, the better. So no excuses. If you only have a minute, I want to see you do your around the clock. I want you to have fun doing it. Smile. The first time you do it, just go halfway around the clock and back, because it is really hard, and then work yourself up to all the way around the clock and back. I'm Lesley Logan. Thank you so much for watching these. For more videos from me, make sure you're subscribing. Thanks.